Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my Creole fries. Yes, indeed, they are golden, they delicious, they crispy, they spicy. Boy, these fries are delicious. You can eat them by themselves. You can eat them with a hot dog. You can eat them with some fried chicken. You can eat them with some pancakes. You can eat them with some biscuits and syrup. You can eat these with anything you want. So I'm doing these fries. I'm gonna give you the recipe, and the recipe is soulfoodqueen.net. So y'all can go over there and get this recipe for these really delicious Cajun fries. I'm telling you, you will just enjoy these, enjoy these, enjoy these, and fix them because they got flavor in them. Some people's fries don't have any flavor, but these got flavor. These seasoned fries have flavor. These are Creole, Cajun, whatever you want to talk about. They are spicy. I love New Orleans cuisine, and you will love these too. Listen to them. They're frying, y'all. They fried up. Get you some good Cajun fish, deep fried fish, and eat these fries with some hot sauce, ketchup, whatever you want, because they are delicious. And remember to go to soulfoodqueen.net and get this recipe. And man, they smell so good. They're so crispy and delicious as well. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Right, here's the end results of the Cajun or Creole fries. Look how they look. Look how they look. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to glaze some honey on mine. I'm going to glaze a little honey on my fries. If I can get it on there, let's see. Put a little honey on there. Look at that. Just a little honey on mine. That combination is good, y'all. Remember, you can get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. And you can get this recipe for these good old Creole Cajun fries. It tastes good with the honey on it, y'all. You can put anything you want, ketchup, whatever you want. You can do that with these fries. And these fries are delicious. And I want y'all to go try these fries. Go to soulfoodqueen.net and get the recipe, and you'll be happy you did. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.